Okay, hi. So iPhone isn't working, and I think it's not charging. In most cases, if iPhone isn't working, it's because its battery is depleted. So, in this situation, I can show you uh, how to fix some problems. As you can see, the cable. Sorry for my nails isn't quite connected. So as you can see, there in some situations there is some dirt that's on the cable, and it's causing the situation when iPhone isn't connected properly. So this iPhone is turned on, and it will start charging or not after some time. So, if it would be depleted and turned off, then it wouldn't start. So, if you have this situation, then it's not when it's not starting, check check the connection piece if it's going all the way to the end. As you can see, there is some space here, and it's moving to the sides. So there is a possibility that something is in the piece that's responsible for the charging. So you can use some pin to clear it, and then it will charge better. So you can use anything that's sharp enough. I wouldn't use knife. And when it's cleared, you can plug it, and it will go all the way, and then it will start charging. So that's the one trick that you can check. Also, you can check the cable if it's brand new, uh, because what if you see here, it's charging, not charging. It's having some problems. For example, situation like that. So it can charge your phone when it's turned on, but it won't do it when it's fully depleted. So if my iPhone wouldn't turn on, I would borrow a new cable, and then I would try if that helps it. If it's still not charging, I would go to a service or something like that. So once again, uh, check the connection port, clear this part, and use some pin or something sharp to access this port. And then wait for some minutes or even hours.